If you're having cough and cold this rainy season, because this is rainy season, people are really down, people are sick. So this particular video is for cough and cold. So if you're having cough, what you're going to do is to get one miracle leaf. Miracle leaf has a lot of health benefits, but today we are going to deal on how to use it to cure or to treat cough and cold. So get your miracle leaf. The next thing you are going to do is that you are going to rinse it very well. Then after that, you place the leaf in a flame of fire, so it will soften the, while you are placing it in a flame of fire, is to soften the leaves, so you'll be able to extract the juice. The juice will really come out once it is placed in a flame of fire. So you are going to place it in a flame of fire for till the leaf is softened. Depending on the heat, you can leave it for like 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, till it is softened very well. And the next thing you are going to do is that you are going to chew it. You are going to chew the leaf. Don't keep it to be too cold. Once it is a kind of, just put it in the flame of fire, then remove it and chew the leaf. Then after chewing the leaf, the next thing you are going to do is that you are going to stay for like 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. Then after that, what you are going to do is to get tom sweet too. Then you boil your hot water, or not really hot, so you'll be able to take it. Boil your hot water, then get your sweet, tom sweet, then put the tom sweet inside the hot water. Then you stay it for a while, then you drink the water. It will help. You see that stubborn cough, you can give it to your children. Your children can also take it. You can take it in the morning, take it in the afternoon, take it in the evening. It has no side effect. Chew the miracle leaf, then you leave it for like 5 to 6 minutes or 10 minutes. Then get yourself a hot water in a teacup. Then get 2 tom. You put the tom inside, stay it for a while. Then after that, you take the hot water. It will help you stop coughing. It is really effective. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a like, hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. See you in my next video.